So Swiss yen, one of my favorite pairs. So very bullish, consolidating-ish, if you can even call it that, with the just like the other yen pairs. But this thing wants to go higher. There's not much, just like I was saying with CAD yen, how it pulled back and established that safety net. Swiss yen is kind of establishing the safety nets like as it keeps making higher highs. So this massive bullish day here last Friday, a little bit of a pullback, and is now like finding its resistance. So this is most likely a good buy next month. I'm going to wait until next month, but I do think it's a solid buy. I think it keeps going up, and it does have its pullbacks. They're just not big. That's the thing. Unlike the other yen pairs that retrace, and pull back quite a bit, 300, 400, 500 pips. This just doesn't. This is its pullback. It's like 100 pips, not even. So then it finds its lower low. Although today, this candle, there's still 8 hours obviously left on this candle to close, but it is creating a bit of resistance. So I would wait for next month, and I would wait for price to break this area. Obviously the 164.5 is the monthly range, so it's 600 pips, which is what this normally moves. So there's a good chance it still does that, to be honest. And then if price breaks this little area here and hits the 164.5 level to end the month, I would say that's a great positioning to enter longs for next month. We'll have to wait for that.